We're at a time where we have to up our spiritual practice game, right? Where I used to do, my spiritual practice, whatever, maybe a little bit here and there. It's not only once a day, it's twice a day. I like my morning practice and my evening practice. The morning practice for me is movement, you know, go for a walk, breathe some air, clear the mind. Even if I have to set a phone timer, if I'm busy minded for 30 minutes, and not think about anything until that alarm goes off and see how far I can make it. That's a nice practice. So that morning practice, yeah, just of movement, disengaging the mind from the presence, like walking meditations, looking at the flowers or the trees or the beach or the rocks, that mindfulness. And I do my evening practice, which is more of a deeper meditation or yoga, relaxation, unplug from the day.